Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial to the draft how to use line command. So you can click this to the draft button to move into drawing area. And to create line, you can click this icon line. So like example, I will click in it for the base point. You can move to drag here. I will set for the length into 100 and you can press enter to apply. To change the length, you can click in here in the attachments. You can set length like into 150. Press enter, it will be automatically changed. To create lines like to the bottom here, you can set by minus. Like I will click from this point to here. Set minus 100 and you can press enter. Also same if you want to create to the left, you can set like minus 50. Press enter again. The next, if you want to create lines with angles, you can select first the base point. I will click in here. And then you can press tab button. For length, you can set into 100. And then for angle, set into 45 degree. Press enter to apply. So we create lines with angle 45 degree and then length into 100. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial to the drafting how to use line command. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.